If the focal length of the objective lens is increased, then the magnifying power of, so first of all we talk about microscope. So in microscope the magnification is given by L, which is the length of the tube, divided by focus of objective, focal length of objective, and distinct vision divided by focal length of eyepiece. So if FO increases, the magnification will decrease. So in microscope it's going to decrease. Okay. And in telescope the formula is FO divided by FE, that is the formula of magnification. So therefore when FO increases, the magnification also increases. So therefore in the telescope it's going to increase. So therefore the answer is going to be D.